Breaking news, 2025 has started with a monumental shift in the UK, especially for those who depend on disability benefits. The Department for Work and Pensions, or DWP, has just lost a significant High Court ruling, sparking widespread discussions on fairness, transparency, and the treatment of disabled individuals. In this video, we'll break down what this landmark ruling means, why it's so important, and how it could affect millions of lives across the UK. The High Court ruled that the DWP's consultation on proposed reforms to disability benefits was unlawful. The government had planned to eliminate the Work Capability Assessment, or WCA, which determines eligibility for the limited capability for work and work-related activity component of universal credit. This financial support provides up to $416.90 per month to individuals with long-term health conditions or disabilities, helping them cover essential living costs. The government claimed these reforms aim to streamline the system and push more disabled individuals toward employment support. However, critics argued the real motive was to save billions by reducing the number of eligible claimants. Disability rights activist Ellen Clifford challenged the proposals, and on January 16, 2025, the High Court ruled in her favour. Justice Carver declared the consultation process misleading and unfair, halting the reforms. The court found that the DWP failed to disclose the potential financial losses disabled individuals would face. The consultation downplayed the hardships and falsely portrayed the reforms as beneficial. This lack of transparency was a key factor in the ruling. For many, this decision is a long-awaited victory, as the reforms would have made it even harder for disabled individuals to survive. This ruling highlights ongoing issues with the DWP's handling of disability benefits. Over the years, the department has faced criticism for its punitive and flawed policies. The High Court's decision underscores the need for a more compassionate and equitable approach to policymaking, one that prioritizes the well-being of disabled individuals over cost-cutting measures. While this ruling is a significant victory, the battle isn't over. The DWP could revise its proposals and launch a new consultation in the future. It's crucial for disabled individuals and their advocates to stay informed, engaged, and vigilant. Activism, like that of Ellen Clifford, shows the power of collective advocacy in challenging unfair policies and driving meaningful change. This High Court ruling is a win for transparency, fairness, and accountability. It's a reminder that the government must prioritize the needs of its most vulnerable citizens. However, there's still much work to be done to create a disability benefit system that truly supports those who rely on it. Thank you for watching. If this ruling impacts you or someone you know, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on this case and other vital news affecting disabled individuals. Together, we can continue to push for meaningful change and stand up for disability rights.